Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Metamask versus Trust Wallet. So what is the difference and which is better? So I would prefer right off the bat, I would use Metamask over Trust Wallet because it has more options and personally it's not confusing. So let's go check it out right here. First, Trust Wallet will have you use your identification of course to open the application. Same goes with your Metamask and it does the same right there. So from here, once you open the application, you'll be able to send, receive, buy, sell, and see your history in your own homepage. Next, in MetaMask, you don't have the same, but you have a actual tab for the transactions that you did, which is better. So the first thing here in MetaMask or Trust Wallet, I mean, is one part is confusing is that you have to manage your crypto and import a lot of tokens, which is really annoying if and you won't see your tokens automatically and you have to add it and then you will see it right there. So basically the networks will compare them right here: Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum, OP mainnet, Base, and BNB. So right here you also have your networks that are available right here in your MetaMask, which is Avalanche, Arbitrum, Base, OP, and Palm and Polygon and ZK Zinc network mainnet. You also have Sepolia as your test nets if you want to choose those. So there you go. So mainly Ethereum and BNB and Base are those that use your MetaMask. Next is your Trust Wallet right here. Let's go back. So as you can see right here, most people use their actual Trust Wallet for Ethereum and BNB transactions too. But personally, I would prefer our MetaMask over Trust Wallet just because of the UI and how it works, and just the managing of crypto is easier right here. So for me, it's kind of confusing, even though I've been in the space for a long time, rather than using just a complicated looking as you can see right here. So here you have your swap. So it also has swap right here, which is pretty common, of course. You have your swap, you have your bridge, which is even better. You can bridge networks together so that you'll be able to jump through network to network, which Trust doesn't have right here. So there you go, that's the verdict, guys. I would use MetaMask over Trust Wallet just because of those reasons mentioned. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.